Hey everyone, welcome to week 6 of distance learning. Remember how to say 6? You could show it like this. How about this? Yeah, week 6. Just a reminder to make sure you get your 45 minutes of iReady in for reading and math. And then you get to vote on what crazy hairstyle that I get to wear for Charlotte's Web next week. I decided to wear my fancy shirt that you guys had me buy from doing your iReady minutes for this because I thought you guys might get a kick out of that. So here we go. So far we've talked about long vowel combinations. We've learned about PH, remember, and the ALL, all word family. We've reviewed our R control vowels, IR, UR, ER, and then R and OR. And then we've also done the rest of the 2-letter combinations. And then last week we talked about the silent KN, where N says something and K doesn't say anything. And GN, where N again says something and tells the G to be quiet. WR, where R says it and W is quiet, and MB. And that one's the mixed up one where the M says something and B is sound. This week we're going to be reviewing the soft sounds of C and G. So C and G are a little bit tricky. They make 2 sounds. Usually they make K and G. Almost all the time they make K and G. But we're going to talk about a few times when they say a different sound. So let's look at this learning target right here. I can read words with soft C and G, like city and giraffe. So here we have the C saying the S sound and the G saying what? Yeah, the J sound. So let's talk about that because there's some rules that guide that. There's some little clues you can use to find out when the C says that S and when the G says the J. Okay. We have already told this story this year about the jittery G. So we told the story about E, I, and Y having a sleepover, and then G had lots of energy. You remember that? And it goes jittery G, jittery G, j, 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 j. And then we are going to talk about some of our words that have that soft G in them. Here's our first word. Is this the word gentle? That would be a weird word, gentle. No, look, it's a G-E, G-I, G-E, G-Y, J. That's another way to remember it, G-I, G-E, G-Y, J. Gentle, gentle. How about this one? The E's gonna make the U say its name. Is this fugue? No, that's a weird word. Fugue, is that the name of some monster somewhere? I don't know. It's huge. Look, G-I-G-E-G-Y, J. Is this the word germ? No. What is it? Germ, right? G-I-G-E-G-Y, J. How about that one? Egg? Egg? The E makes the A say its name? Nope. Age. Is this gant? Gant? That doesn't make sense. How about giant? Oh, the I says its name. That's where it splits. Giant. Giant. And this is orang. Orang? Let's try J. Orange. 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 So let's read it faster. Gentle, huge, germ, age, giant, and orange. Okay, now I'm going to try to trick you. These words, some of them are the soft G sound, J, and some of them are the hard G sound, which is the regular sound of G. So let's see if you can figure out which one these are. Okay. Does this have G-I, G-E, G-Y? Nope, it's G-A. It's going to say its regular sound, gas. Good job if you knew that. How about this one? G-I-G-E. Ooh, there's a G-E. That tells me in my mind that it's gonna say J. Angel. Angel. Ooh, just like somebody in our class. His name is Angel. How about this one? Let's see, G-I-G-E-G-Y. Nope, doesn't have a G-I or a G-E or a G-Y. It's gonna say the regular G. Dragon. Dragon. Ooh, I love dragons. How about this one? G-I-G-E-G-Y. Oh, it's a G-Y. It must be Jim. Jim. That's kind of a weird one because it looks like Jim. But here the Y is pretending to be a short I. I. Oh, we already did that letter, or that word. How about this one? Ooh, G-I-G-E-G. Ooh, there's G-I. Logic. That means something makes sense. So let's go through all of them. Gas, angel, dragon, Jim. Somehow I wrote gas again. And then logic. Good job if that didn't trick you. Okay, so we've talked about this G, the soft G. Now we're going to talk about the soft C. So the soft C had a story too, and it was I-E and Y had that same sleepover, but the C just kept sleeping. So it goes sleepy C, sleepy C. Just like that. So then C-I, C-E, C-Y. Right? Okay, so let's see if we can read some of these words that have our soft C in them. Okay. City, that's C-I. Rice, that E is going to make the I say its name. Scent. Spice. Cider. And ooh, cyclone. Cyclone. A cyclone is kind of like a tornado. So we've got C-I, C-E, 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 C-I, and then a C-Y. C-I, C-E, C-Y. Okay, let's read it again. City, rice, scent, spice, cider, cyclone. All right, now we're gonna mix it up. Let's see if we can trick you. Okay, is this gonna say the K or the C-I, C-E? Ooh, it's got a C-E. Must be celery. Celery, do you like celery? C-I, C-E, C-Y. Nope, coat. C-I-C-E. Ooh, it's gonna say dances. C-I-C-E-C-Y. Nope, not any of those. Candle. C-I-C-E. Ooh, it's got a C-E. Centers. C-I-C-E-C-Y. Nope. Camping. Celery, coat, dances, candle, centers, and camping. Now, something to remember about the C is I can't think of any exceptions where if there's a C-E, it's gonna have the S sound. If there's a C-I, it's gonna have the S sound. If there's a C-Y, it's gonna have the S sound. But there are some exceptions to the G-I, G-E, G-Y. So I'm gonna show you a few of those exceptions. Okay, what about this one? Okay, so what's this word? G-I, oh, it's got a G-I. It must be gerl. What's a gerl? Paisley, are you a gerl? No, it's a girl. There's the exception. This is a rule breaker. Okay, I'll show you a few more rule breakers. There's some other ones. How about that? That's the word get. Not jet, get. Rule breaker, jail. Okay, how about this one? Okay, that looks like jiggle. No, it's giggle, which is like laughing. Somebody tickles you, then you giggle. All right, one more. This looks like fog G, fog G, but it's foggy. Okay. So those are some rule breakers. They don't follow that rule. All right. We have learned a lot this year, a whole lot. And it's really hard to remember everything that we learned. So what I did is, hopefully everyone has one of these now. And what I did is I put all of the things that we learned and a picture that went with how we learned it. And then there's going to be a little action to do with it. So here's what you do, and you make it like a rhythm. So it's kind of fun. You can even put like a little, like rap music in the background if you really want to. But it goes like this. S-H, now I'm gonna point to the letters, and I'm gonna say S-H, shell, sh, C-H, choo-choo, ch, T-H, thumb, P-H, phone, O-W, cow, ow, O-U, mouse, ow. Remember, the cow has an owie in his tummy. The mouse has an owie in his mouth. So, O-O, look. No, sorry. O-O, foot, O-O, moose, ooh. O-Y, boy, oi. O-I, coil, oi. C-I-C-E-C-Y. G-I-G-E-G-Y. J. So like that. Okay, I'm gonna do this without showing you. So on half of the screen, you should see all the pictures, and the other half, you'll see me doing the actions. Okay, ready? S-H, shell, sh, C-H, choo-choo, ch, T-H, thumb, P-H, phone, O-W, cow, ow, O-U, mouse, ow, O-O, foot, O-O, moose, ooh, O-Y, boy, oi, O-I, boing, oi, C-I-C-E-C-Y, G-I-G-E-G-Y, j, A-I, rain, A-Y, play, E-A, seal, I-G-H, night, O-A, goat, O-W, snow, U-I, fruit, E-W, stew, K-N, night, W-R, right, A-W, hawk, A-U, haunt, I-R, bird, U-R, purse, E-R, teacher, A-R, dart, R, O-R, horse, or, M-B, lamb, M-B, lamb, and that is all of it. So if you can do that once a day, if you're struggling with remembering what the sounds say, that will help. Also, you can come back to this if you're reading and you think, oh, there's two letters. I know they say something together, but I can't remember what they say. And you can go back to this, and the picture will help you, or your parent can help you with this little signal, like this is sh, and this is j. Okay, so remember, hopefully you've got the new one of our ELA packet. Remember, you need to do your 1 minute timing today, or this week, Our passage is jelly beans. And then you also need to do your 1 minute timing on your nonsense words. And let's go over our writing that we're going to be doing this week. Okay, so Monday, you get to write about 3 things that you might know about rocks. Okay, are they hard? Are they soft? What do they look like? What are they? How many of them can you find? That type of thing. And if you want to, you can even find a favorite rock and write about that. Tuesday, would you rather swim in Jell-O or hot chocolate? Why? Wednesday, write 3 things that you know about a good friend of yours, and why is that friend special? On Thursday, you're going to write about something that makes you really happy, a time that you were really happy. What happened and why? Okay guys, I'm really excited for this week. It's rocks in science. So remember, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but you get to click on a video and it's going to tell you some really cool things about rocks. And then you might be able to do some experiments. Depends on how many rocks you can find and which kinds outside. It's about lava rocks especially. So don't forget again to do your writing, and with your writing, starts with a capital, ends with a period, spaces between words, and no capitals where they don't belong. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful week. And just remember that Miss Melanie and I are here. Please reach out to us if you need help. Okay, bye.